guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see about how to install Google Hangout in MeTV. Let's see. This is the same process only. Go to Apple TV. Before installing this Hangout, just note you should install Set Orientation app before installing Google Hangout, because there is a lot of orientation problems is there in MeTV. So only now search for Hangout. You can see it's came. Now to download this version, download this. Now click download. Click install. Because just I am showing how it works in MeTV only. Okay, now click to open. You can see it's came Google Hangout. It will automatically sign in. Just select which account you want. You can see it's came Hangout. It's working in your TV remote itself. Don't need any mouse, that kind of stuff and all. The full access in TV remote itself. No worries. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. If you're having any doubts or corrections, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. Okay guys, bye.